So I just want to let everybody know about these fake drone advertising that's on Instagram. I went ahead and bought one just because I thought the price was outrageously low, and well, there's a reason for that. The drone they are advertising is this Swell Pro waterproof drone, and you can see a picture of it here. And they're actually pretty good drones, and you get an option with the 4K camera, without the 4K camera, etc. With a 4K camera, and they have a picture of it. There's a picture of it in Instagram. They're advertising on Instagram, and I don't know where else. They also have a website where they advertise with this drone pictured, but that's not the drone you get for $50. So just beware, the drone you get is this piece of junk. I don't even know if it's a drone. I guess it is, but I don't know if it would fly. With the cheap, it's maybe a $30 drone with a remote control, and it certainly is not waterproof. So just be aware. Here are the websites, and these are being advertised on Instagram. It's really ridiculous that Instagram and Facebook are allowed to post these advertisements advertising false and misleading products. I mean, it's got to be millions and millions of dollars, and I wish somebody would do a class action lawsuit against Instagram regarding these ads, because there's certainly no control over them. And the Chinese or whoever's doing this are making millions and millions of dollars off of sending this junk, advertising this stuff, and then sending this junk to us and not refunding our money. I really wish somebody would do a class action lawsuit against Instagram. And well, Instagram is owned by Facebook, so Mark Zuckerberg just has too much money. So that's it. I just wanted to let everybody know that a lot of fake ads out there, so be careful where you spend your money. Be safe.